Welcome back to Restoring CLAASics. In this video, I'm working on something special, giving this classic Arion 510 a proper refresh. It's not just about making it look nice, it's about respecting the machine. These tractors work hard, and they deserve to shine. First up, I'm starting always with good power wash. First up, sanding. I start by cleaning up the surface, getting rid of any rust, scratches or old paint that's flaking. I use a mix of hand sanding and power tools depending on the areas. Around the curves and edges, you have to go carefully, no shortcuts. Color on this classic Arion is always original CLAAS paint, so it has to be right. Between coats I let it fully dry, then a light sand, and on with the next layer again.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Then we move on to a polishing. I want the surface to be as smooth as possible. The better the prep, the better the finish. Bit by bit it starts to come back to life. While the paint dries, I work on the plastic panels. Some of them were badly faded and scratched, so I sand some of them and refinish them too. I used heat gun to bring back the black color. I also used a plastic restorer to bring the black back to a deep rich finish. Makes a big difference. Next up, the tires. I clean and shine them and repaint the rims to match the fresh body. It's small stuff, but when it all comes together, it's what makes the tractor really pop. And now the final touch. I fully cleaned down the cabin, glass polished, decals checked, and I'll stand back to look at it, from rusty to ready. That's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this process. Every machine has a story, and every polish and repair is a part of that. Thanks for watching Restoring CLAASics. I'm not perfect in English, but I hope my work shows what I mean. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I would love to know what you think.